What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. It's officially fall, and what better way to enjoy this beautiful time of the year with gourmand, sweet, creamy vanilla fragrances, chocolate, coffee. Beautiful stuff, right? So let's dive right in to Mancera's Amore Caffe. This is a brand new release. I believe this was released in 2024. And I'm going to do a first impression, but before I do the unboxing and first impression, make sure you are subscribed to my channel because I will be doing a full review once I'm satisfied with my full wearings, and I'm going to tell you all about it. And always remember, Brian's Broadcast does not give you biased reviews or first impressions. It's always about keeping things simple and real. So of course, if you have seen one Mancera, everything looks the same. It's a signature setup, of course. So typical golden pouch. Let's look at this. All right, beautiful boozy kind of color, almost looks like whiskey, right? So I'm gonna read out the notes to you from the Mancera website, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the first impression. So on the top, you've got black coffee and amaretto liquor. On the mids, you've got vanilla ice cream, hint of speculoos. I have no idea what that is. I'll have to read it up. And of course, over the days that I'll be doing full wearings, I'll try and get a feel of what this thing is all about. And on the base, you've got vanilla pods, brown sugar, and gray amber. Well, some reviewers and on Fragrantica, I see there's the presence of ambergris. Now, of course, I'm all too familiar with the different types of ambergris, but let's find out what Mancera Amore Caffe is all about. Magnetic cap, if anyone's curious, it's a magnetic one. Beautiful bottle as usual, very simple, very nice, I must say. Let's go ahead and spray this baby. Let's find out what it's all about. Spraying Mancera Amore Caffe for the first time. I'm going directly on skin. Let's see what it's all about. Beautiful atomizer. Ooh. Okay, if I'm smelling really close, I do get that black coffee. It's pretty pronounced in the opening, but the presence is really nice, like almost has an almond nutty kind of impression to it. I believe it's coming from the amaretto liquor, which is, again, it's a bitter almond kind of mix of a liquor. The coffee is not too bitter, I must say. It's not that bitter black coffee. It's there. It's boozy, not too boozy, not overly done that you feel bitter in your mouth, or like you kind of like salivate and at the same time you feel bad. It's not like that. It's very, very well balanced. I can tell you right away. Talking about the ice cream, I see what they're trying to do over here. So when you taste ice cream, it's sometimes people may think like, oh, is it like a chilling feel or whatever? It's not like that. Think about the flavor, about the taste. When you take a spoonful of vanilla ice cream that's really high quality, when you put it in your mouth, there's this luxurious, creamy, almost lactonic sweetness to it. I don't get anything lactonic as of now because it's only a first impression, just the first couple of minutes. But I see there's the effect of vanilla ice cream and it smells really nice. Fragrance is opening up at this point, kind of like the liquor, the amaretto liquor, and the coffee, the black coffees getting mingled together. Some bitterness coming through. There's some kind of like a sweetness going on in the background. But I must say one thing, Amore Caffe is not overly sweet, at least not in the opening. I have a feeling this thing's gonna smell really nice. There's some kind of a spicy nuance coming through. Kind of has that ambery kind of quality to it, but overall it's a very nicely balanced gourmand. But then again, it's only the first impression. Of course, I'm gonna do full wearings and I'm gonna come back to you on my channel with the full review, but until now, first couple of minutes, this thing is smelling mighty fine. So I will stop the thing right here because I mean, this thing's gonna take a long time, and if you will see how much shiny this point is, and this part of the skin is, this place where I sprayed it. So it's pretty strong, it's pretty potent. The oil concentration is pretty high. I'm not sure what concentration they're doing over here. It's an extrait or what is it? I didn't even look, man. I didn't even bother looking. But this thing's feeling pretty nice. Has that oomph to it, of course, the Mancera oomph. I think this is gonna last a pretty long time. But again, this is only my first impression. Everything's gonna come out once I've done full wearings and I come back to you with my full review. So guys, let me know in the comments if you have tried Mancera Amore Caffe. Let me know in the comments if you've liked it. What did you like? What did you dislike about this fragrance? Or are you planning to get one? Let me know in the comments. And until the next one, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.